Hey guys, welcome back to BlueStar's Unboxed Studios. I'm Sam, and today we'll be unboxing the HH85 handheld RFID reader from Brady Corporation. I don't need a box cutter, so I'm gonna jump right in. Right out of the box, I have my HH85 reader and a user installable optional wrist lanyard. The HH85 can be charged using a standard USB-C cable, which is not included in the box today, and also charging docks can be purchased separately as well. Looking at this device, I can see its trigger here, some additional buttons here, and a nice large touchscreen display for an all-in-one RFID reader. A hot swappable lithium-ion battery is built into the trigger grip housing and cuts back on downtime by allowing users to change batteries without having to close or log out of open applications or restart the device. The HH85 offers impressive battery life rated for up to 18 hours of continuous use on a full charge. The Brady HH85 is a lightweight yet rugged and durable RFID reader using UHF and NFC, Android-based mobile computer and barcode scanner made for industrial environments and easy all-day operations. The integrated RFID reader and barcode scanner enables key data collection use cases such as asset tracking and inventory management, while the Android mobile computer allows users to create and install their own applications and facilitates connection into existing systems such as ERP, MES, or WMS software. Its IP65 rated enclosure helps to protect against dust and moisture on the warehouse floor and possesses an ergonomic design for easy use, even while wearing gloves. What's more, this device can withstand up to 5-foot drops and offers a 2-year warranty. The HH85 has an advanced software-controllable adaptive cross-dipole UHF RFID antenna that provides reading performance ranges of up to 50 feet. Furthermore, the cross-dipole antenna design combines the benefits of both linear and circularly polarized antennas, providing long read ranges regardless of RFID tag orientations. It's also important to note that this reader, along with all of the Brady RFID readers, are manufactured in Finland and meet TAA requirements, so they are suitable for federal government applications. From a software perspective, the HH85 offers a robust API that is shared across all Brady RFID readers, allowing for easy integration. The HH85 also offers a number of free RFID demo applications available for download directly on the device. As always, I wanted to thank Brady and Code Corporation for sending over this device so that I could unbox it for you and showcase its features and benefits.